Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today I'm going to give you a nice video here of this beautiful 2005 Moffett M5500. It has a tall 12-foot mast. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this thing has been really gone through. We go in and refurbish these units. We go in and try to find anything bad we can or anything we think is questionable. We go ahead and replace it. With this one, we had to go very deep. It has almost all new bushings and mast bearings. It also has 35 new hoses. That's a lot of new hoses, ladies and gentlemen. It also has a new drive motor and lift pump. That's big money, but then that way we know you're going to get a good unit when you buy it. We pressure leak test these things, then we power wash them, take them apart, paint them, and put them back together. As you can see, this cage has been off. The battery box cover's been off. Many of these gray parts are removed, and what we do is that we can go in and clean them, get all the rust or anything, any corrosion out, clean it, paint it, put it back together so you have a long-lasting paint job. Now look, it has a new seat. Also, knee-deep rubber here, nearly new tire. Look how much treads on this tire as well, ladies and gentlemen. Check out the new panel here. Those are expensive too. Look how clean everything is. Levers have been gone through, fixed where needed. Ladies and gentlemen, we also changed the fluids and date code your filters. There's your new dry pump right there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at your new filters. This thing's ready to hit the ground, running. Now, what we do is, after we fix these up, we'll give you what we call an operational guarantee. What that simply means is, when this shows up, it's going to be condition I've shown you here today, or we're going to help you get it fixed. Check out this V3803, ladies and gentlemen. Now take a look here. Look how clean and shiny this thing is. If we were outside, it would glisten right in the sun. Now we're going to back you up with an operational guarantee with this unit, ladies and gentlemen. It also has a lot of new cylinders rebuilt, also a new drive motor. I'm telling you, we really went deep with this one, but we want you to be happy. Check out that new tire there. Now we're going to go ahead, start it up, and show you some operations. Look at the mast going up and down. There's your tilt, side shift. Let's check out the outriggers, ladies and gentlemen. Show you the mast going in and out. Look how nice and tight that is. We're also going to drive it a little bit to show you how we got all the motors in sync, no leaks. This thing is standing tall, completely refurbished. Backup alarm, all the lights are taken care of. You're going to be happy when you get this unit. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is backed up with an operational guarantee. We're going to help you out if there's any problems and help you get it fixed. They'll back up this Kubota engine for 1 month. The operational guarantee is when it shows up. The Kubota engine warranty is from us for 1 month. Now, also, you can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you for checking out our video. Have a wonderful day.